Rosie and Salty were overworked. Besides, Carter and Smithy and Puffa, from Big City. They couldn't keep up with the work, with Plitter still in the works. Ugh! Cried Rosie. How much longer can we hold on? Ugh! Said Salty. I think, Rosie. My wheels feel like they're lemons. I feel the same, lemons. We need more help. Besides, well, there's no way you're asking Pernin for help. Said Salty. Yeah, please no. Sighed Rosie. I don't want him for the pain of his only time. Like he stuff have to knock. And you know who was still in charge. She goes, ugh. Yeah, let's not talk about him, said Salty quietly. Although Brandon is a hard worker. That Canadian Valley was the best thing for him. But when he needed another station by Vickerstown, he had to come here. Anyway, said Rosie. This month is Thanksgiving in the U.S. Ah! Right, said Salty. I don't quite get my Canada celebrates Thanksgiving a month early when they're part of the Commonwealth of England. They make so bloody sense. Yeah, I quite don't get that. I mean, why have a holiday that the rest of the world doesn't have? I get Canada's part of North America too. That may be probably why. I guess you have a point there. But in reality, yeah, you're right, Salty. It doesn't make bloody sense. And also, it's election day in the U.S. today. I hope they don't get that guy again as president. Oh God, says Salty, not him. I heard he was found guilty of his charges. I wonder how that lady fella as the U.S. president, if you ask me. Oh. Oh, you mean... Oh. Yeah, I'd rather have her too. I mean, we got a governor here in Sodor. But still, I don't want to see the U.S. run into the ground. Did you hear about that poor squirrel called Peanut? Oh, God, said Salty. Yes, I heard about Peanut. What the hell? What the fuck were they thinking? The guy who owned him ran a sanctuary. An animal sanctuary. You just lock up the guy and then take his pet squirrel? What's next? The government's gonna start stealing pet cats to kill them? Said Rosie. I don't want it to come to that. The cat's supposed to be safe, not in danger. And yet those people on the internet, on their Twitter, think if the woman we want to be president of the US there's gonna be more violence for their under her control. Like, what? I don't get that. So salty. But even that guy would make it worse for the country. Like, why put up a wall on the border of Mexico and the US? That doesn't make sense. A wall's not going to keep people out. They can just blow it up. Yeah, exactly. No. Uh-oh. Looks like the safety master's cat tried to get into our box. Looks like the workman fixed that issue. Oh, thank you for watching. Ugh. I need to go have a hot dog. Reggie! What? My driving friend wants to go have hot dogs. Oh, okay. Bye.